Hello everyone. So we will take a look at problem 1800 of Leetcode, which is a easy level problem, maximum ascending subarray sum. So the problem says that given an array of positive integers nums, return the maximum possible sum of an strictly increasing subarray in nums. This subarray is defined as a contiguous sequence of numbers in an array. So we have to find out the maximum sum of a subarray which is increasing and it is a subarray. So this is a subarray 10, 20, 30 which is increasing, and the other one is 5, 10, 50. So whichever sum is maximum, we have to return that sum. So here 12 and 17 are increasing, then there is 15, then there is 13, then there is 10, 11 and 12, and 10, 11, 12 results into 33, so we are returning 33 here all of them are in increasing order, so 150 is being returned. You can take a look. An array is said to be strictly increasing if each element is strictly greater than its previous one if exists. Okay, so it has to increase. So if there is a 20 next to this 20 and the values are same, then it is not increasing, it is a similar, so they needs to be in strictly increasing order. So first we will take a variable mxs which will keep track of the max sum of subarrays that we have encountered till yet, which were in increasing order. So we are always going to have a max of nums 0, so we will keep it here, and this is for keeping track of the sum of current subarray. So it is also going to start with the 0th index, so we are going to store it here. Then we will run a loop on all the elements to check for the increasing subarrays. So we will start from the first index because we have to check for the -1, and if we are going to check for the 0th index for I-1, then it is going to give us out of bound error because -1 doesn't exist in nums. So we are going to check if nums -1 is less than nums I. So here if 10 is less than 20, then only we are going to keep increasing the sum of the current subarray. So now 20 will be added, then in next loop 30 will be added. If it is not greater than the previous element, then we are simply going to redefine the initiation of subarray, and this is how it is going to happen. So here 5 will be assigned here, but before that we have to do one more thing. We have to update the mxs if it is less than s. So if s is more than mxs, then mxs is going to get redefined, and eventually at last we are going to return it. So let's try running it, and you can see that all of the test cases are being passed, and you can submit it now and it will get submitted successfully. 100% runtime, so it is pretty efficient. Bye.